This is how beautiful a balsam tom-tom or balsam rose or balsam impatiens looks like. Dark orangish peach in color. It's very pretty. The plant is a Dwarf variety, which is what I figured after it has grown a little bit. It's not really too big, but it's already flowering. As you can see, there is another bud which is almost about to bloom. These are not easy to grow. These are just not easy to grow. Yes, they can be grown a little bit, but then most of them has a tendency of withering out because the entire stalk, as you can see, the entire stalk is very watery. So you have to maintain the water level of the pot or of the soil wherever you're growing it. Okay, because they have a tendency of going into shoot rot. Sometimes they go into root rot, and sometimes they also get affected by a whole lot of bugs. Okay, and they cannot handle pesticide being sprayed or sprinkled on them. You have to use very light pesticide, like in so much moderate amount that even if it's a little bit more, it's going to kill the plant. So it's really sensitive, extremely prone to catching pests. Okay, and it also is extremely watery, which does not appear to be so when you look at the leaves and all, but it's actually very like a water content type of a plant. It's way more watery than almost like a, it is so watery. The shoots are like so much watery that you have to keep maintaining the level of water of the soil. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, the leaves have this jagged type of sides, and that's how the plant looks like. It gets filled with a whole lot of buds, so as long as this will grow, it will continue to flower. So that is not a issue with the plant. Also, you would usually be supplied, it is a very good idea to actually have and try to sow as many seeds as you can, because most of them will not survive. For some reason, they will continue to wither out till you are left with very few. So out of quite a few grown, like almost this size grown plants, I also lost quite a few plants, which were, I could not keep quite a few plants which were like almost this height, filled with buds. They also suddenly went into a root rot or shoot rot. I don't know what happened. Like they just suddenly, one day I wake up and I see they are like wilting. So, and then I checked the root area and the shoot area, and most of them had a rotting near the shoot. And it can be like a work of some pest or insects. You can't be sure, but it is very difficult to maintain and protect. They give are really pretty and beautiful, but they're very sensitive. So that was pretty much about balsam tom-tom. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye for now.